Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to transfer files from a Checkpoint server using TFTP. In this way we don't need to use WinSCP. There's a command in Checkpoint TFTP. So first we can log in to the server in expert mode. So we'll type only TFTP and press enter. And here we need to connect. So connect, press enter. Okay, connect with IP address. The IP address of the server where the TFTP server is installed. So in my case, it's this server here. I use SolarWinds TFTP server, this one. And we can check. And the IP address is the IP address of Windows where TFTP server is installed. Here. So now our server is active. So the IP address, we can check the IP address here. It's 10.00.20. Okay, 10.00.20. Okay, before that we can look what file we need to transfer. So we can quit from this. Okay, ls here. Again, for example, if I want to transfer this file, policy.sh. So again, TFTP connect 10.00.20, press enter and put. Then we can take any file here, copy, paste, done. So if we can look there, it is done. And we can look here, this is my folder that my TFTP server is using. So again, we can test again. So delete these. We can take config to txt. Press enter. So now it's done. Again, there. So here's my file. So this is a very fast way to transfer files in Checkpoint. So thank you for watching and see you next time.